Hello everyone and welcome back to Modern Life School. Today we are going to learn some very important Uzbek language verbs for beginners. These are verbs that Uzbek speakers use every day in real conversations. In this lesson you will learn to be, to go, to come, to eat, to drink, to study, and to speak. By the end of this video, you will be able to make simple Uzbek sentence and understand basic daily expressions. So let's begin. First, what is a verb? A verb is an action word. For example, go, eat, sleep, and study or speak. In Uzbek language, many verbs end with mok. Mok. For example, bormok, to go. Bormok. Kelmok, to come. Kelmok. İçmok, to drink. İçmok. Very easy. Now let's learn our first verb. Bolmok, to be. Bolmok. The Uzbek verb for to be is bolmok. But here's something interesting. In present tense, Uzbek usually hides the verb to be. For example, in English we say I'm a student, but in Uzbek language, men talabaman. Literally, I student. The word am is hidden. Let's practice. U shifokor. U shifokor. He's a doctor. U shifokor. Men o'qituvchiman. Men o'qituvchiman. I'm a teacher. Biz do'stmiz. Biz do'stmiz. We are friends. Biz do'stmiz. Ular talabalar. Ular talabalar. They are students. Ular talabalar. Before we continue, let's learn some Uzbek language pronouns. Men, I, men. Sen, you, sen. U, he, she, u. Biz, we, biz. Siz, you, it's formal, siz. Ular, they, ular. Okay? Bormok, to go. Bormok. This is the one of the most common Uzbek verbs. Bormok. Men maktabga boraman. I go to school. Men maktabga boraman. U ishga boradi. U ishga boradi. He goes to work. U ishga boradi. Or she goes to work. Biz parkga boramiz. Biz parkga boramiz. We go to the park. Biz parkga boramiz. Ular Toshkentga boradilar. Ular Toshkentga boradilar. They go to Tashkent. Ular Toshkentga boradilar. Okay? Let's learn useful words. Maktab, school. Maktab. Ish, work. Ish. Park, park. Park. Uy, home. Uy. Okay, question. Siz qayerga borasiz? Siz qayerga borasiz? Where are you going? Siz qayerga borasiz? Men uyga boraman. Men uyga boraman. I am going home. Men uyga boraman. Okay? Kelmoq, to come. Kelmoq. Men bugun kelaman. Men bugun kelaman. I will come today. Men bugun kelaman. Okay? U ertaga keladi. U ertaga keladi. He will come tomorrow. U ertaga keladi. Siz qachon kelasiz? Siz qachon kelasiz? When will you come? Siz qachon kelasiz? Do'stim bizning uyga keladi. Do'stim bizning uyga keladi. My friend comes to our house. Do'stim bizning uyga keladi. Okay? Time words. Bugun, it means today. Bugun, ertaga. Tomorrow, ertaga. Hozir, now. Hozir. Okay? Yemoq, to eat. Yemoq. Men ovqat yeyman. I eat food. Men ovqat yeyman. Ichmoq, to drink. Ichmoq. Men choy ichaman. Men choy ichaman. I drink tea. Men choy ichaman. Okay. O'qimoq, to study or to read. O'qimoq. Men ingliz tilini o'qiyman. Men ingliz tilini o'qiyman. I study English. Men ingliz tilini o'qiyman. Okay? Gapirmoq, to speak. Gapirmoq. Men o'zbekcha gapiraman. Men o'zbekcha gapiraman. I speak Uzbek. Men o'zbekcha gapiraman. Today we learned these important Uzbek verbs. Bo'lmoq, to be, bo'lmoq. Bormoq, to go, bormoq. Kelmoq, to come, kelmoq. Yemoq, to eat, yemoq. Ichmoq, to drink, ichmoq. O'qimoq, to study, o'qimoq. Gapirmoq, to speak, gapirmoq. O'qimoq means to study and to read. O'qimoq. Gapirmoq, to speak, gapirmoq. These verbs are essential for everyday Uzbek conversation. Practice this sentence every day and your Uzbek language will improve quickly. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this Uzbek language lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment in Uzbek language below. See you in the next lesson.